All right, welcome back to part 2 of the racing lawnmower series. So today I'm going to be dropping out this deck, and I charged the battery last night, but I'm going to drop out the deck and I'm going to replace that pulley up there with a CVT clutch. I already have the CVT, so it's going to be super easy. Let's go ahead and start this. Does this battery really not have enough cranking amps? Wow, that is pathetic. It's 150. It should be enough. I guess these mowers are really high demand though, so. I got the old battery on the charger over there right now. The old battery I think has a lot more cranking amps than that one does. Yeah, that one's at 100%. I just put the battery back on right before I started recording. But this is our jump pack. Yeah, it's super small and super light, but it works super good. Go buy one. You could start like all the way up to like a large diesel truck with it. Not like a semi truck, but like a pickup. Noco Boost X. They're super cool. And they like automatically differentiate between or they could like detect how big the battery is that it's hooked up to. So it doesn't overdo it. Gosh, I need to start using my GoPro. It'd be so much easier. Okay, let's turn this thing on. It's almost dead though, so gotta hurry up. Eventually, I'm gonna put a, hold on. All right. Eventually, I'm going to put a gas pedal on this thing. Wow, okay. I don't quite know how I'm gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. I'll probably go watch a video on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing around into the shop. All right, it's not the fastest, and it kind of sucks because that tire's off the bead. I just gotta go slow because really don't want to mess up that rim or that tire. But yeah, it actually goes super fast for being a lawnmower. And it's completely stock. You know, I might hold off on putting the CVT on until I put the gas pedal. It's just a little bit of a pain to put that CVT clutch on in the first place. Then I'd have to control the throttle right here. Alright, let me use this. Why did it shock me? Okay. Alright. So, choke. Man, come on. I don't know how much gas it has. Oh yeah. Come on! Woo! No! There we go. Why are you doing this to me? I'm not gonna shut that off. It's too much of a pain. There we go. No. Come on. Is this on the air compressor? It's not supposed to be. That's on, but it's not on like... Oh, air has to be off. That's probably why. What was that? Alright, I'm gonna shut this off. Alright, I don't know why this thing isn't wanting to run. Shoot. This is... I know that's not supposed to be on. Or is that... I don't know. It was right here when I started. And... yeah, so I choked it, and I started it, and that was already on, and the air was already on. So I don't know if that's bad or not. Kip said that it should be already off. So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm kind of confused at this point. Let me see if it built up enough pressure. Set you up right there. Nope, not at all. Okay, come on! Give me some more hose. Oh. Stop. There we go. Okay. All right. Right? Yeah. Nothing. Okay. Yeah, I really don't know what's wrong. It's usually on 22, so I'm gonna put it back on 22. I'll leave it choked for a minute. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore though, it's not mine. Yeah, it didn't build anything. This thing's been sitting here for like almost over a whole year, so. Dang it, dude. Well. Okay, I don't know what to do at this point because this is weird. It's never really had this problem. Wow. Geez, that really sucks. We don't have another air compressor here, I don't think. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do. All right. I'll be back, guys. All right, Kip said he's gonna come down and help me. He's going to figure out why this thing isn't running right. All right, I got the tire back on the bead. Wow, it smells like exhaust in here, really bad. But I'll pick that up. I used a ratchet strap and I used air compressor, and I got the tire back on the bead. Now let me go put this. Enjoy. This ratchet Allen wrench. Okay, now I just gotta lift this thing up and get it off this redneck jack stand. Alrighty, that tire's all aired up now, and found out that this battery is not enough cranking amps. It's 150, but I don't know, it doesn't like it. So I gotta keep jumping it every time I shut it off. That's why I didn't want to shut it. That's why I didn't want to shut it off earlier. I'm gonna go check this other battery and see how many cranking amps it is. Kind of tired. That was a pain. 12 volts. It's 115 cranking amps. 150. I don't know. Maybe that other one isn't 12 volt. Maybe it's like 9 volt. No, 12 volts. Okay, I don't know. But I know that old battery used to start it. That's all I know. Yeah. Okay. Turn this idle. Okay, it's already all the way down. Really gotta put this thing on the charger. There we go. I thought it wasn't gonna start for a second. Well, I thought it was gonna shut off. Wow. All right. Finally, we're done with the bad camera angles. I can finally show you guys how this thing is. Alrighty. I'll go ahead and put it in gear. Reverse. Wow, that needs grease. I think we might have some grease here, so I think I'll go ahead and grease those some other time. Not even close to top speed. That's top speed. Dude, this thing's pretty good. Slow it down just a little bit. I don't know how this system works though. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I really don't like messing with the new ones. Because for some reason, whenever I put it in like a higher gear, it just lets the clutch out more. So that might be a problem when I put the CVT on. But yeah, I'll just show you guys some driving footage. Woo! It's kind of steep. Oh, it's slowing down. It's kind of fast. Woo! Oh yeah, she's a ripper. pretty cool though, honestly. It's not bad. It's pretty smooth. These big tires are real nice. These big tires are gonna be real nice whenever I'm freaking ripping it. But yeah, I'm gonna ask Kip real quick if I could, where I should drop the deck out at, and be back up with you guys then. So. Alright, be right back. Alright, I know where I'm gonna dump it now. Put it in 4. No. 6. I'm gonna go bring it back where all the other tools and stuff are. The attachments, I mean. Because we have a skid steer out here and yeah. So we have a bunch of attachments for it. He said to put it out by the metal though, so I'm gonna put it back here in this corner. Like a ditch there, I never realized that. Alright. Oh, this means I'm gonna have to shut it off. Alright. Okay. These things are so simple. Honestly, it's so nice. Here, let me drop this all the way down on the ground. Here, I'm gonna take out the pins that are holding it. Oh, that's a freaking nut that I gotta take out. Okay, I guess I'm taking this pin off first. Oh, okay, that was easy. Get out of there. I'm gonna have to give it a little. Come on. Wiggle. Wiggle. It doesn't want to wiggle out. Come on. Just drop out of the mower. These decks are really light, so I can just lift it up, actually. I'm gonna sit you guys down. I'm sorry. This is a terrible angle. Okay, new problem. I just dropped the pin. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna keep all the pins right there. Okay, that's one pin. There's another pin right there. These pins are always a pain to get out. Okay, I'm gonna grab some channel locks for this. Channel locks. Small ones. Okay. And these are tiny. Alright. Alright. Got the channel locks. Now I could find somewhere to prop the phone up. Oh yeah, right there. Nope. Yep. Okay, you know what? Nice. That was easy with channel locks. Get my fingers out of the frame. Okay. All right. Oh, next pin's over there. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and. Oh, this one I might be able to get out of my hand. Oh. Oh, found it. Okay. Kind of flung that pin and I thought I lost it for a second. I was about to say. Okay. It's one arm. I gotta get this stupid belt out. If I know what? Got me. That last pin right there. Get this last little arm out. There we go. All right. Deck is detached. Oh, except for that stupid pulley. Or, this belt. Owie! Oh, that put a little freaking thing in my finger. Ow, that's deep. Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurt. Okay, got it out. Oh, it is. There we go. It's out. And, just gonna pull it out that way. Oh, there's a cable here. Gotta take another pin. Just give me the pin. Got it. Oh, I kind of hurt my finger. Yeah. Pin ball. Oh, helpful. Oh wait, how am I supposed to take this cable out? Oh, you know, just there we go. Right. Can I take that out just from the freaking source? Or is that gonna be something that's it's way up there? Okay. Ow, there's so many pokies over here, dude. It's driving me nuts. Okay, yeah, I'm not, no. I'm not getting that out from right there, so. Why did I choose this spot? Jeez, I should have went somewhere else to do this. Dude, why does this mower have to be so complicated? They're never this complicated. They're always easy. All right, anybody watching my videos and think that they want to go build a racing lawnmower? Get an old lawnmower. Like, one that runs, obviously, but one that's like older than your grandma or something, you know? They're always so much simpler. Sometimes, like, the parts that you buy aren't going to be compatible with them, but yeah, this is a real pain, dude. Oh, this sucks. Okay. Get out of the way of the tire. Get that as close as possible. Okay. I got it out. Let's go. Alrighty. What is stuck? Oh. This arm. Arm resting on top of that piece. Yes. And last obstacle. Ah, the other arm is stuck on something now. Ow! My arm, bro. Ooh, the tire's full of pokies. That's why. Oh, I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but I gotta really reach in. Oh, we were gonna go to church today. Automatic. Wait, I forgot about that. Yeah, it's Sunday. We're gonna go to church. But we forgot, I guess. There we go. All right, I got the deck out. Now this thing's gonna be friggin' 80 pounds lighter. No, those decks are actually really light, so it's not. Ugh! Come on! Put in neutral. Sure that's full. Now will it push? No, okay. Ugh. I don't know how to get this one in neutral so you could actually push it. Usually there's like a little L bracket up here. Here, can I take this out of here? No, that's stuck in there. Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh, the train. Nah, dangerous. Dangerous. Wait a second. Good enough. Let's go grab the jumper now. Man, train, can you shut up? Jumper? Okay. Okay. Wow, that train is really just ruining my video right now. Oops. Alrighty. Parking brake. Button. Oh wait, hold on. It didn't do its. Whoa. Why did it backfire? Alright, sorry this is such a bad camera angle, dude. I just gotta get these clamps on. Okay. Well, that's all done. I don't know why it backfired. That's kind of scary. Either it backfired or... No, none of my tires shattered, so... That must have just backfired. I'll put it on. Speed 1. Reverse. Wow. Okay. I hate the clutch and brake system on this. It's like... You have very little time between clutch and brake, you know? I got a couple things dangling from the bottom of the mower, but I got to pull that inside so I can actually take those out. Dude, look how nice out it is right now. Beautiful. Dude, no, I'm going to go around the trailer. Put that all the way back down, actually. Move this right here because I gotta shut it off. Because I don't like sticking my fingers where there's pulleys. I feel like it's a pretty good rule of thumb. Don't put your fingers where you see pulleys. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty simple from here on out. Still full. Yep. Still full from the last video. I'll grab this set. Let's go head over here. Okay. Gotta undo those. So what size? It looks like this. Oh no, it's way bigger. It's like a 18. No? Ooh, please don't be bigger than 19. Oh, it's 19. Oh, it's already. Oh wait, can I just like? Okay, I can just pull that out. Good. I'm not trying to mess with a bunch of nuts and bolts in this thing. I'm not trying to lose stuff. Yeah, I'll set the stuff on top so I don't lose it. All right, what do I need to take off these? Oh, it's like a 12. I can't see on that side. Oh, wait, I can look at it on this side though. Okay. I hope it's the same on that one. 12. I think that might have like things where it's like holds itself in its place. This is 12. Oh no, that's bigger. Oh yeah, that's like a 15. 15. That's smaller than 15. That's 14, I think. Oh, I can't get in there with the freaking socket, dude. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it from the opposite side. No, it's sketch though, dude. I don't want to be doing that. Let's see if I can get in there.